Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lucy again. I'm here to share with you opportunity. It's been a while, but here I got you straight to the point. When I mentioned about YouTube videos and nursing school, I told people that you can actually get your green card through nursing as a profession. Turns out there's actually many ways you can actually get a green card and get that money, get that bag to improve your financial freedom by getting a green card through any kind of job, whether it is waitering, whether it is masonry, construction workers, whether it is working at McDonald's, whether it's working as housekeeping, as cleaners, as caregivers, not only nurses and professors and other big people. The United States immigration offers an opportunity called EB3 visas. There you go. People who've been waiting for the EB3 visa, here it is. It's dropping. There are so many opportunities, and there are several companies that I am going to work with to enable you to get these visas. Okay. These visas, they have open to various jobs. We have jobs, like I mentioned, we have a company that will hire you as a waiter and you get your green card and visa. The EB3 visa is actually like a green card. So there's construction workers, there's housekeeping. I've mentioned them when they in the beginning of the video. So I am here to let you know, guys, that the amount of money that is required to get these visas is quite high. You know why? Because these companies, these lawyers, these attorneys, they're working with the immigration for you to get a visa from wherever you are, wherever you're in Kenya, even here in the United States. My diasporan people, this is an opportunity for you guys also. Huge opportunity. And the reason as to why I am sharing, even for the people in Gulf, anyone who's watching this video from Gulf, the Kenyans who are living there, or Nigeria or India, all these opportunities are here in this country, but requires like the amount of money that I've seen these companies that they're asking for is between $9,000 to almost $33,000. That is equivalent to 900,000 Kenya shillings to 3.3 million Kenya shillings. Please convert that money to your country's currency. That is what these companies are asking for. And the reason as to why these fees seem so high is because attorney fees in this country are generally higher, and much of this money is attorney fees. All this money also includes the government fees that you're going to pay for your green card. You might be having you have a family, so assuming you will get your wife, your brother, not brother, sorry, your immediate family, your wife, your husband, and your kids. All these people might end up paying a certain amount for green card, which is usually around $350, and also biometrics, and also if they have other processes in between, you'll be paying this money from your pocket. Remember, I said it's between $9,000 to around $33,000. Now, guys, here's the thing. You might think that money is a lot. Okay, so I can tell you, because I'm already here in this country, it is not. If you can save that money, if you can borrow that money to get this kind of EB3 visa, it's a work visa that guarantees you a green card, unless you have criminal history like that you've been reported in whatever country you are in. Don't apply to this program, because the United States, they really punish people who have criminal history, criminal records, and they won't allow you to come into this country. So unless you have a criminal history, anybody can apply to these jobs. Okay. And these are companies I'm trying to work with, and they want you to have at least half of the money in the beginning. The reason as to why you need to have the money is because these companies have partnered, like these are immigration offices that they've partnered with a company ABC, provide labor, because they've already told the US government that, hey, you know what? We don't have factory workers. We want any workers from all around the world to complete this project. Okay. This means that the government is allowing them to bring in foreign workers to give you the EB3 visa so that you can work for them 1 year, 2 years. Guess what? The good thing is, I'm not even done yet. You're getting your benefits, health insurance. You're coming with your spouse, you're coming with your kids, you're coming with everybody, and you're getting a permanent employment offer. Yes, it's not a contract job. It's permanent employment offer. It's been proven. It's already in the government website that they need number of workers, and these companies, they have to file for themselves and tell the government, hey, we need this. It costs them money. So that's why they are charging also all these attorney fees to help them. To help them, they post these jobs. If they don't get American citizens or green card holders in this country to do this job, they are allowed by the government to bring in foreign employees, and you will be one of them. And that's why I'm sharing this video with you. You can bring your wife, your kids, all of your kids below 21 years, come work in this country. Look at this picture. The dynamics of this country, that $9,000 to $33,000, you can get this money within 6 months of working here, depending on the job that you'll be doing. And because you have the ability to start work from day one, because you already have a social security and you have a green card and have a work permit. When you have a green card, it means that these two, they're already intertwined in this number 3. So you don't have to struggle like people who come here through student or visitors or even, other means, marriage. They come here, they don't work for like 6 months because they're waiting for their work permits, they're waiting for their social security. But you with an EB3 visa, you will go to the embassy through an interview with a job offer in your hand, and you're telling the embassy, hey, I have a job offer, I have 2 years experience. One thing to clarify, you do not need to have a degree or a graduate certificate. In fact, if you have all those, this category of visa, it's called EB3 unskilled visa. It is cheaper to get. I mean, it's cheaper compared to other types of visas in this category. And then it does not require you to have a degree. So the people who are working as waitress or these low jobs in different countries, especially the Qatar and maybe even Canada, or well, if you're in Canada, you're probably fine. Different parts of the world, Saudi Arabia, India, anywhere, this is for you. So my call to action right now is for you to start saving this money. And I have an email address where you can, so many people are asking me for an email address where you can have further consultation with me so that I can hook you up with one of these organizations. Guys, don't think I'm getting paid for this right now. This information I want to share with you so that you can start planning for your money. You can start saving your money no matter the amount of money that you have. Keep applying for those green cards, keep applying for those student visas and visitor visas. They'll get you somewhere. So my email address is consultlucyaisha@gmail.com. I'll write it in the description box or in the first comment section of this video. consultlucyaisha@gmail.com. Make sure you get it right. If it bounces, I'm not responsible. It's just consultlucyaisha@gmail.com. I'll take you through the process, each bits by bits, each process to take you through and even hook you up with an employer. But you must start saving money. You must show intention of having some money to start the whole process. It's worth it. I have never seen anything worth it like this green card. We don't know about it. And there's people who know about it, they will not tell you, but Lucy's here to tell you. So share this video. Tell people on TikTok, Instagram, people, please come and listen to this information. You need the money, yes, but I can tell you for sure, you can get it if you believe in it. Anything you put in your mind, you can get it. I don't care. You have to get it. If I got here, you can do it. I didn't come from riches, guys. Please make sure you watch the next video and then subscribe. Peace.